This is Seshadh Raju. Today we will discuss about the 14th chapter of 10th class, that is statistics. Yes. In this chapter we will discuss about the mean, mode and median. This is the first mean. Mean is the average of the observations. First we can write mean equals to sum of the observations by number of observations. For example, they give 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the mean of these observations. First mean equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 by number of observations are 4. That is equals to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 by 4. That is equals to 2.4 to the 8, 20 is the 2.5. 2.5 is the mean of these observations. For grouped observations, there is a formula for mean. It is equals to mean equals to 4. There are 3 types. First, the mean is directly we want to find. There is Fi equals to frequency. Here Fi is frequency and Xi equals to observations. Observations. Then we can write as F1 x1 plus F2 x2 plus and so on by here number of observations are n. You find n equals to number of observations here. It is equals to, we can write total F1 x1 that are we can write as sigma. Sigma means sum of these observations. Then F1 x1 F2 F3 we can write as F5. And x1, x2, x3 we can write as xi. Sigma fi xi by n is the general formula. There are another 2 methods are there. That is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. In this method, the formula for mean is mean equals to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here a equals to assumed mean. Sigma fi da equals to number of observations minus a, xi minus a, and sigma fi is the fi xi here. Sigma fi xi is the this one, sum of these observations. Next method is step deviation method. Step deviation method for finding the mean. Here for step deviation method, the formula is a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi xi into h. H is the height of the observations, height of the classes. A is the assumed mean. Ui equals to xi minus a by h. This is the step deviation method. Next we can discuss about the mean and mode and median. Next we can discuss about the mode. Yes. Generally mode is the observations are given, number of observations are given, then the number of observations are given, then the frequently occurring observation is known as the mode. If we take an example as 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 1. In this all observations, 2 is frequently occurring. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times occurring, and 4 is 2 times occurring. That means 2 is the mode of this observations. So we can write mode equals to, there is a formula for mode, that is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L is the lower class of model class, and F1 is the frequency of the model class. Frequency of model class. And F0 is the frequency of preceding model class. Preceding model class. F2 is the frequency of succeeding model class, and H equals to length of class. And we can discuss about the median. We can discuss. Median means the middle of the observations. When we take ascending or descending order, then the middle of the observation is known as the median. And for this observations, we can take 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. In this observation, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 are ascending order. In this, there are five observations are there. The middle one is 4. 4 is the median. If they given, it is 5 observations is the odd observation. If they given even observation, that is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this middle elements are 4 and 6 are there. So we can take these two observations average. It is 4 plus 6 by 2. That is equals to 10 by 2. That is 5. 5 is the median of this observation. So we have a formula for finding this one. If they given odd multiples, then you can write as this is 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2. 5 by 2, 5 plus 1 by 2, that is, we can have a formula for odd multiple, that is n by 2 plus 1 observation. Observation for odd numbers, odd observations. Odd observation n by 2 plus 1 is the formula. For even numbers, that is n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 is the formula. N plus 1 by 2 observations is the formula. This one, it is odd multiples, odd observations. So 5 are there. 5 by 2. This one even. This is odd. This is odd, and it is even. But this one 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6. 6 by 2, that is 3. Third observation, that is 1, 2, 3. Third observation is 4. 4 is the median. For even numbers, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations are there. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 3. 3 plus 1. Fourth observation is 6. The slide can calculate the median. For grouped observation, first we can calculate the median. Means there is a formula for this one. Median is a formula. This one is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula for median. For grouped observations. L is the lower class of the model class. N is the number of observations by 2, and CF is the cumulative frequency of the observations, and F is the frequency into H is the length of the class. So we can discuss some of the examples of mode and median. Then we know the clarity of this equation. Given that a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of houses in 20 houses, number of plants in 20 houses. Find the mean of these observations. First, we can do the problem by normal method for finding the mean. Since the given table, then draw the is number of plants, number of houses, and this number of plants we can write, and that is number of houses. It is the frequency of class 1 classes 0 to 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12, 12, 14 is the classes, and number of houses is the frequency F5. Frequency is 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. This is F5. This is class mark. This is XI, class mark. This one is class mark, means middle of this class length, that is 0 from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, the middle of the element is 1, and 2 to 4 this is 3, and 4 to 5, 4 to 6 that is 5, 6 to 68 that is 7, 8 to 9 that is 8 to 10 that is 9, 10 to 12 that is 11, and 12 to 14 that is 13. This is the XI. Normally general formula for mean is mean general formula equals to sigma Fi xi by n. We want to find Fi xi is Fi there and xi is there. We want to find the Fi xi. Fi into xi is equals to, here Fi is 1, 1 into xi, that is 1, 2 into 3, that is 6, 1 into 5, 5, 5 7 ja 35, 6 9 ja 54, 2 11s 22, 13 3s 39. Then sigma Fi xi, this is equals to sum of these observations, that is 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 35 that is 47, 47 plus 54, 11, 5, then 101, 101 plus 22 is 3, 2, 123, 123 plus 39, this is 12, 3, 3, 6, 162. 162 is the sum of the observations. Find the n. N is the number of observations, that is sum of these observations, that is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 3 that is 20. N equals to 20. Now we want to substitute this one. Equals to sigma fxi is 162 by n is 20. This 20, and from this 21s 20, 28 ja 160. 8 to the 16 means 160 is there. 20 will be the remaining. 8 1 ja 21 ja 20. That is 8.1 is the mean of these observations. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and their heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as shown in. Find the mean of the heartbeat per minute. First we can take the box. This is number of heartbeats. And it is number of mens. These class intervals, that is 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86. The class intervals, and it is frequency Fi. It is 2 4 3 8 7 4 2, and you can do this one mean method for the assumed mean method. Second method of this mean for finding the mean. Then first this one xi, for finding xi, it is the middle term of the class intervals. That is 65 and 68 are there. Middle term are two terms are there. That is 66 and 67. You can find the average of this 66 and 67. That is 66 plus 67 by 2. It is 12, 6, 12, 13, 12, 13, 13, 133 by 2. That is 60. 2 6 ja 12, then 13 is there, 2 6 ja 12, then 10 is there, 5 ja 12, that is 66.5 is the middle term of this class intervals. And for this one, it is 67.5. Next 71 is there, then 69.5. 69.5. This one is 72.5. For this 75.5, 78.5, 81.5, 84.5 is the xi. Assumed mean method. Assumed mean, the formula is mean equals to a plus sigma Fi dA by sigma Fi. This is the formula. First we want to find the assumed mean method. We want to assume anyone from this one, from xi. It is 75.5. It is easy process for finding this one, and I assumed this as a. Then we want to find the dA. dA equals to xi minus a. Xi minus a is the dA. Here xi equals to this one 66.5 and a is 75.5. From 66.5 to minus 75.5, that is equals to 66.5 minus 75.5 minus 0, 6, 5, 75 is the biggest number, so we can do 75.5 by minus 66.5. This is 0, 6, 15, 15 minus 6, that is 9, minus 9. You want to find minus 66.5 minus of 75.5, then it is minus 9. From 69.5 to 75.5, that is here 60, 69, means 15 minus 9, that is 6, minus 6. From here, this is minus 3, 0, 3 is 0, 75.5 minus 75.5, that is 0, this is plus 3 and 6, 9 is the dA. Next we want to find this Fy dA. Fy dA. From this, Fy here is this one, 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2 is the Fy, and dA is here. Then we want to find multiple of this Fy dA. 2 9s are 18, minus 18, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, minus 24, 3 3s are 9, minus 9, 8 0s are 0, then 7 3s are 21, 4 6 are 24, 2 9s are 18. This is the Fy dA, and we want to find sigma Fy dA, sum of this one. So Fy dA equals to minus 8, first we want to sum the minus terms. This is minus 18, minus 24, minus 9. This is 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8 is 21. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2, that is 5, minus 51. And we want to plus the plus terms, that is 21, 1 plus 4, that is 5, 5 plus 8, that is 13. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 63 minus of 51. Then 3 is there, here 9 is there. 3 plus 9, that is 12. 12 is the sigma Fy dA. From here, Fy, sigma Fy is there, sum of these terms. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, that is 9. 9 plus 8, 9, 8, 18, and that is 17. 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 4, it is 28, 28 plus 2, 30. This sigma Fy equals to 30. Substitute these values in this assumed mean method. A here we assumed that 75.5 is the A, 75.5 plus sigma Fy dA is 12 by sigma Fy is 30. This is the equation. Then we want to find this. 2 6 are 12, 2 15 are 3 2s, 3 5 are 15. Then from this 5 1 are by 0.4. This is 75.5 plus 0.4, that is equals to 75.9 is the mean of this observation by assumed mean method. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Find mean. We can do this mean by using the step deviation method. This is daily expenditure. For this we can take a box, following this one. This is daily expenditure and it is known as class intervals. This is 100, 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 300 to 350. This is the last. Next, number of households. It is frequency Fy. We can write as 4, the given 4, 5, 12, 12 to 2. This is the frequency. Then we want to find Xi. This is the class marks. It is middle of this class intervals. This 100 to 150, the middle element is 125. In this one, that is 175, 225, 275, 325. This is the middle of this one. Next, For step deviation method for finding mean, equals to mean equals to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. It is the formula. We want to find first d. D equals to xi minus a. This D we want to assume a. For this one we assume that 225 is the assumed mean. Then from this xi is 125. 125 minus of 225, that is minus of 100. 225 minus 175, that is so 25 plus 25, that is minus 50. 225 minus 225, that is 0. 225 minus of 275. 225 minus 125. Oh, sorry, 125 minus 225, that is 225 minus 225, 0. 275 minus of 225, that is 50. From this 325 minus of 225, that is 100. This D. We want to find ui. Ui equals to xi minus a by h. H is the height of the class interval or length of the class interval. We can write a ui equals to d by h also. D equals to xi minus a. So we can write d by h also. Then xi minus a is this one minus 100. H is the class length of the class. H equals to 100 to 150, that is 50. 50 is the h. From this minus 100 by 50, that is minus 2. Minus 50 by minus 50 by 50, that is minus 1. 0. 50 by 50, 1. 100 by 50, that is 2. This is the ui. We want to find sigma fi ui. Sigma, next we want to find fi ui. Fi ui. Here fi equals to this one, frequencies, and ui is this one. We will find this one, and fi ui is multiplication of both of them. 4 to the 8, minus 8. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 12 into 0, 0, and 2 into 1, 2. 2 to the 4. We want to find sigma fi ui. That is sigma fi ui, sum of these terms. Minus 8 minus 5, that is minus 13. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6. Minus 13 plus 6, that is 7. Minus 7 is the sigma fi ui. Then we want to find sigma fi. Sigma fi equals to sum of these frequencies. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 12, that is 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. 25 is the sigma fi. You can substitute these values in the formula. A here is, we assume that 225. 225 is the A, plus sigma fi ui is minus 7. Minus 7 by sigma fi is 25. 25 into h equals to 50. 50. 25 ones, 25 twos are 50. Then it is equals to 225 plus minus 7 into 2, that is minus 14. 7 twos are 14. Minus 14. Plus into minus, minus, that is minus 14. Then 225 minus 14, that is 2, 1, 1. 211 is the mean of these observations by step deviation method. The following table shows the age of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find mode. Yeah, they given this table. Then we want to find the mode of this one. Then we can in this one. First we write. Can draw a table. This is age, and it is also called as class intervals, and it is number of patients. Number of patients. It is from 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. The number of frequencies are this one, it is Fi, and we can write as 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. From these frequencies, the largest one is 23. You can write this one as F1. This is the model class. It is the largest number, that is 23. We can write as model class, and it is the frequency of model class F1. Then it is preceding class F0, frequency of preceding class, and it is the frequency of succeeding class F2. And it is F1 here, right, this one is class interval. Here 35 is the L. It is the lower frequency, lower class interval of the model class. So we can write L is the 35. For finding the mode equals to, we have a formula, that is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H here is the length of the class, that is 5 to 15. 5 to 15, that is H equals to 15 minus 5, that is 10 is the H. You can substitute these values in the formula. It is L here is 35. 35 plus F1 is 23. 23 minus F0 is 21 by 2 into F1. F1 is 23. 2 into 23 minus F0 is 21. 21 minus 14. 14 is F2 into H is the 10. H is 10. Then we can calculate this one. 35 plus 23 minus 21, that is 2 by 2 into 23, that is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 46 minus 21 minus 21 minus 14, that is we can write 5, 2 plus 1, that is 35 into 10. And write is this one as 35 plus 2 by 46 minus 35, that is 11 into 10. It is 35 plus 20 by 11. You can write this one as 35 plus 11 ones, 11 ones 11, point, then 90 is there, 11 8 are 88, 20 is there, 11 ones are 11. Approximately that is 1.81. That is equals to 36.81 is the mode of this following observation. Given that the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers, find median. For finding median, we can draw a box. First it is the monthly consumers, and it is also called as class intervals. Monthly consumers, it is 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, this is 165 to 185, 185 to 205. This is the class intervals. The number of consumers. It is the frequency. This frequency, which is 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. For finding the median, we have a formula. So we can write formula. Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by f into h. It is the formula for this one. First we want to write the cumulative frequency. Next box is CF, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means first box, that is 4 only. Next this one, next box means 4 plus 5, that is 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Next 9 plus 13, it is equals to 9 plus 13 means 22. Next 22 plus 20 equals to 42. Next 42 plus 14 is equals to 56. 56 plus 8, that is 64. 64 plus 4, that is equals to 68. 68, this is the cumulative frequency. From this one, we want to find the F value. F value means here from the frequency, the higher term it is known as the F value. This frequency. This 20 is the highest value. You can determine the 20 is equals to F. Then for this one, the straight value is for cumulative frequency, it is known as the model class. For F, it is a straight value, so it is known as the model class. Then you have to find the this model class. Next lower term is, for this lower class, this one is here 125 is the lower term. This is the cumulative frequency. The upper term of the model class, it is known as the cumulative frequency of the observations. Then we want to find H. H equals to length of the class, that is 65 to 85, that is 85 minus 65, that is 20 is the length of the class. Then substitute these values in the formula. It is equals to L value. L is the lower term, that is equals to 125 is the lower class interval, plus N is the N is the number of observations, that is sum of these frequencies. 4 plus 5, this we already summed this one. This 68, last value 68. 68 is the N value. Sum of this. If we add this one, that is equals to 68. Then N equals to 68. 68 by 2 minus cumulative frequency is 22. 22 by F equals to 20. F is 20 and H equals to 20. H is 20. 20 cancel, and 68 by 2, that is 68 by 2 means 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. It is 125 plus 34 minus 22. It is equals to 125 plus 34 minus 22 is 12. It is equals to 7. 137 is the median of this completed 14th chapter of 10th class. If you have any doubts regarding to this chapter, comment in the comment box. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe it. Thank you so much.